So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create subtasks in Microsoft Planner. So the first thing you want to do is to open up your Planner account. You can see my day, my tasks, my plans, my portfolios. You can see some other stuff on there as well. So through my plans, you can see these right here. So from there, let's just open one of the plans up and you can see there are some tasks on there. Now, if I want to create subtasks, I can just go ahead and click on a task. And from there, you will just need to find a checklist. So it's not called a subtask, it's called a checklist. So using a checklist basically means if I want to do this task correctly, which steps do I need to first do in order for that to happen. So from there, let's say get to work first. So that's one of the checklists. You can then say write an email. So that's the second thing. So if you want to get this done, you will first need to do these subtasks. So if I exit now, you can see it for and this task is going to appear on there, and usually it appears in the task itself if it has space on there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Planner or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.